We're gonna do something different here on our channel today. Both Carrie and I, this is Kelly.
This is Carrie.
We both get the Ipsy bag. And I would say our profiles are different, definitely.
Oh, definitely different.
She's more makeup oriented. But so before we get it started and see what's in both of our bags, if you like videos, unboxing videos, and you want to see what we have coming up in the near future, which we do have some really awesome things coming, just hit the like and subscribe button. And also, if you hit the notification button, you'll see when we post new videos. So why don't we get started?
Now I will say mine came damaged from the post office, so that's why it's not in my pink bag, because they've kindly sliced it open for me already.
Lovely. So mine's still intact, so let me open that here. And it comes packaged nicely. I do like that. Oh. I got, hold on.
Did you get extras? You got extras. Even more?
I might not have as much in your bag, in my
Oh,
bag.
man.
Huh. Sorry. Okay. So, you want to start first?
Okay, let's see. There's my little card. And then this is the BDB Billionaire Dollar Brushes foundation brush, which I am thrilled to receive. I get a lot of eye brushes in this subscription, so to get a different brush, a foundation brush no less, I am thrilled about. I already have one foundation brush, but I'm gonna be honest, it is really dirty and really needs cleaned. So now I have another one and I don't have to clean that right now. So I am happy about that. Did you get a brush?
Let me look. No, I didn't. I didn't. But a few of the things that came in my bag, not necessarily in here because they were too big, but I did get, I did get 2 sheet masks.
Oh, so jealous.
Sorry, not sorry. So I got one, it's hydrating, and one purifying. Ha, you can't handle this sheet. This sheet is bananas. I love those names.
All right, well, let's see what I got next then. Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, Sea Kissed. So let's see what this smells like. I will say I have a lot of hand creams right now. Ooh, safety seal, always a good thing. But this does smell good, but I do have a lot of hand creams right now. Not really something I needed, so this one's kind of a fail for me.
All right, my second one is Squa. It is a coloring pencil and eye crayon in the color Honor. Let's see. It's small. Might be like a...
Ooh, is that a brown?
I don't know.
It looks like it's brown.
Let's see. So it looks like this. Ooh, it's a...
Oh, it is brown.
Oh. It does swatch pretty nice. Not as creamy as some, but I like the color. I might. I'll have to look.
You might have to get a sharpener.
So that's what it looks like. The color's pretty nice too. So that was my second thing.
Okay, my next thing is Fluid. This is just a clear lip gloss. Just looks like your standard lip gloss. Yeah, it's just a lip gloss. I'm gonna say this one for me is also gonna be a fail. I have so many lip glosses right now. I really just don't need another lip gloss. So far, I'm not liking my bag too much.
All right, and the next thing I got, I did get the same thing. I got the Fluid lip balm or the lip gloss. I do like lip glosses. I take them to work with me and I'll use them. This one looks blue. I don't think it probably...
No, I think it goes on clear.
Oh, it did have a safety seal,
yeah.
So yay! That's always a good thing. Let's see. Oh, don't want to dump it.
Yeah, it just goes on clear.
Yep. It smells pretty good though. I like that. It had like a sweet smell. I did like that. So that was mine.
My next thing is Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation with SPF 15 sunscreen. So that's pretty good. Usually foundation samples that I do get are generally too light for me. I mean, I'll try it out, but I'm not holding out my breath for a whole lot. It does have a safety seal, but it looks, or I mean, they're usually too dark. Wrong word. It does look a little too dark already. I can just see. Yeah, that's going to be a little too yellow for me. But I might be able to work with it. Maybe use some different primers and see what I can do. I would like to try it out because I like Tarte products a lot, but I just don't know that this shade is going to work for me. Almost all of the foundations that they have sent me are too dark because I am a redhead and extremely, extremely pale.
All right. Let's see what I got. I got, VDL Lumalayer Primer.
Oh, man.
Let's see. And this is, I didn't think I was supposed to get a lot of makeup, but, so I got a tube. It's pretty nice size. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Real liquid. Let's see.
Oh, that seems to go on nice.
Yeah. Pretty nice. I'll let you try it if you want.
Yeah.
She'd probably get more use out of it than me, although I do want to start doing my makeup. I'll let you know how that goes.
Okay, my last thing is going to be an eyeshadow. Let's see. Ella Eden pressed. It's called Julia. Julia must be the color. Ella Eden London. Let's see. So it's kind of a shimmery, like a champagne-y pink color. I'll try it out. It looks like a color I'll use. Obviously, you need some extra colors to go with it. This would be more like a highlight, maybe, and just the inside of your eyelid. But I'll try it out and see how it works out for me. I'll let you know if it's really powdery or not. But that one's not quite a miss. This is okay. I'm okay with this one.
Okay, and then my last thing I got in here. Oh, I love leave-in hair conditioners. It's Way.
Yeah, I think it's
Way. It's a leave-in hair conditioner. Really nice size. I love leave-in hair conditioners. I have kind of curly, wavy hair, and sometimes it gets kind of wild woman. So, but I like to spray this in while it's still damp. Let's see. Take this off. All right. Just gonna see. And it smells just like regular leave-in conditioner. But I do like this size. It'll be nice for traveling.
Yeah.
And that, so I'm excited about that, to try that. So that was all that I got in my box. Or my bag, I should say.
I'm going to say overall, her bag, way better than my bag. Way, way better than my bag. I kind of feel like you almost got my bag because I'm the one who asked for more makeup. And I got, in my opinion, a foundation and an eyeshadow that was makeup. I don't consider this to be a makeup item. That's just my personal opinion. Although I guess this is technically a makeup item.
True.
And I am happy about that, but... this was a miss for me.
I got the hair care that I'm really happy about.
Actually, it really smells good. The more you're wearing it, I really think it smells good. It's kind of florally.
A little bit, yeah. And I like it too because it didn't spray out. It was like really thin. So I don't think it'll weigh my hair down a lot. So I got that, which I love, love, love. And my 2 sheet masks, so I'm happy about that. And I got the lip balm I'm really excited to use. And then more on the makeup side, which Carrie would be more into, would be the eyeliner.
Yeah, I'm jealous about that.
And the primer, which, you know what? I didn't realize that the primer is kind of like illuminating.
Oh, nice.
Like a highlighter. That's why it's Lumalayer.
Nice.
So you can kind of see the shimmer in it a little bit. I don't know if you'll be able to
pick it up on camera.
Pick it up. But, so... I did like my bag. I'm glad that I got some more stuff that wasn't so makeup oriented. That's why I went in and changed my profile, which you can do. And I love the bag too. I think that's really cute.
Yeah, I do like this. It kind of feels beachy.
That's what I was thinking too. That's what I was thinking too. So that was it for it was
Ipsy
January.
versus Ipsy.
Our first Ipsy versus Ipsy. This is our January bag. So we're hoping to maybe keep doing this, see how it goes. So thank you for watching. Thank you. See you later.